Trump's desperate attempt to cling onto power and overturn the 2020 election results has hit a major roadblock. In a controversial ruling, a federal appeals court has denied the former president's emergency motion to stop Mike Pence from testifying in the ongoing investigation into the January 6 Capitol riot. Pence, who was pressured by Trump to reject Electoral College votes for Joe Biden, is considered a crucial witness in the investigation. This latest development could potentially uncover damning evidence of Trump's attempts to unlawfully obstruct the certification and defraud the United States, as well as shed light on his involvement in the conspiracy behind the Capitol attack. This ruling marks the end of Trump's efforts to shield Pence from divulging potentially incriminating information to federal prosecutors. Despite Trump's legal team challenging the subpoena and invoking executive privilege, the new chief U.S. judge for the court largely denied both requests to limit the scope of Pence's testimony. While Pence's team chose not to challenge the ruling, Trump's legal team filed an emergency motion to the U.S. Appeals Court for the D.C. Circuit, which was ultimately denied by Judges Gregory Katsas, Patricia Millett and Robert Wilkins. The pressure campaign by Trump to overturn the election results relied on Pence accepting fake slates of electors for Trump, which is also a subject of the criminal investigation. Trump's efforts involved several figures both inside and outside the government, including his lawyer John Eastman, other Trump campaign-affiliated lawyers like Sidney Powell and Rudy Giuliani, and dozens of Republican members of Congress. Pence was among the few people who had one-on-one discussions with Trump on the day of and the day before the Capitol attack, which investigators last year concluded was a conspiracy that the former president had some advance knowledge of. While Pence is precluded from testifying about any preparations for his role as presiding officer of the Senate, his testimony could shed light on other efforts by Trump, the Trump campaign, and outside individuals to overturn the 2020 election results. As of now, it is unclear whether Trump's legal team will appeal the ruling to a higher court. Nevertheless, this latest development could potentially provide a significant breakthrough in the investigation and further expose Trump's attempts to undermine democracy. The potential consequences of Pence's testimony have raised the stakes of the investigation, as it could provide key evidence to support allegations of election tampering and obstruction of justice against the former president. The ruling by the appeals court has opened the door for the special counsel to obtain potentially damning accounts of Trump's desperate attempt to stay in power, making it a significant blow to Trump's efforts to keep information under wraps. This latest development has also sparked controversy, as some Trump supporters view it as a politically motivated attack against the former president. However, many legal experts argue that it is a necessary step in holding those responsible for the Capitol attack accountable and upholding the integrity of the electoral process. The investigation is ongoing, and it remains to be seen what impact Pence's testimony may have. However, this latest ruling has certainly raised the stakes of the investigation and could potentially have far-reaching implications for the future of American democracy.